Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to solve this very interesting LeetCode problem. It says maximum depth of a binary tree. So given the root of a binary tree, return its maximum depth. A binary tree's maximum depth is the number of nodes along the longest path from the root node down to the farthest leaf node. So if you look at this binary tree I drew right here, so here we have the root node at depth 0, here we have depth 1, and here you have depth 2. So in this case, a max depth here should return 2. Okay, so basically you want to start from the root node and you have to check the left and the right. Now this has to be a recursive solution, because you need to actually check the max depth of this tree, this subtree, and also check the max depth of this subtree, and then return the maximum of the two. So there are actually two variations of solution to this problem, but the easier one is the one I'm going to show you how to use, and that is recursion. So the first thing we want to check now, so let's just quickly write the code. So we are going to check first if the root is null. Let me just give a space here. So if the root is equal to is none, in that case, you don't have to actually do nothing. So just return 0, because empty tree have a depth of 0. Then if the root is not null, then you have to check the left and the right subtree. So I'm going to call the left tree L3. L3 is equal to, in this case, I'm going to call this function again. So I'm going to call max depth on the left subtree. So self.max depth, and I'm going to specify the left subtree, and that's going to be root.left. And I'm going to actually do exactly the same thing on the right subtree. So I'm going to just paste here like this. Okay, now since we are going down one step, each time we go to the left or the right, we are going one step. So it means that we are going to add 1. So permit me to just correct this to the right. So it means that we are going to add 1 to this, because we are going one step down. So anytime we go from root to left or root to right, it means that we have found one level, or a height of 1. So we are just going to increase by 1. So at the end of the day, we are simply going to return, the maximum of these two. So I'm going to say return max L3 and R3. So this is basically it. So this is the solution to this problem. So it's a recursive solution, and hopefully it's going to work. So I'm going to submit, run the code now, and then I'm going to submit. Accepted and submit, and we can see that it actually works. Runtime is okay, and faster than 82% of codes and Python 3. So please subscribe to my channel, and please like and share this video, and leave me a comment if you have any challenges whatsoever. I remain Kyneton the Genius, and I'm always there for you.